This way here broader discussions.
That's right. That's right.
Sometimes BBC but not
Bright FM.
Discussing a few say no until say another by-election, national election. But I think going that route no me we are discussing my positions. They believe in and position because there's no clear direction as to say they be never guide who need to manage. The whole thing is about competition and lack of punitive action against anybody. Only over unipa na compete. Ebi awa dream on the nya de over pese over ma ebi 10 cities and 20 cities. But the only na compete no ama 20 cities, ama 50 cities. Over tena hwahwe sa. What you mean tena hwahwe sa? Nti se umpo also go pebi. Now so odem Emma. There's no sanction whatsoever. There's no punitive action against anybody from doing that. Until say you never not punitive action behind or against anybody competing for any political office, Vote buying. Ebe koswa till be do baby ankasa yentumi manage bio. Because NDC hypocritical attitude don't put you up. A buyer say Baba Jama akoma moto akoto kusua nyina buta ne niema nyina oche no. Hwe parliamentarians are more we. When no betu aka kire me say okọ ne primaries and now here election one call ma obi bibi. Na masara sorry gidi aban no so make me ntia. Nipa no other contest election the TBA no the position or Nigeria no want to mean DMP and sign ambassador. Now all of a sudden I said actual letter say you need idea we need for what? We need for what? One a parliamentary candidate. Constituency the TBA over to me and say winning. In the dinner we just to show to the public say I say omo bibi omo anya ho hwe nipa na mo say oye vote by no never contest in this election you can go around who NDC as a party na achemo che gari che sitire che buta che we nti that lip service ne propaganda no eno na ebo awan embo bia this discussion me gidi say in an appropriate forum, any institutions are ebeboa. Na ya met our punitive action against will be our contest election. All my bibia. Say ya nyan is idea. Uno be compete ya ultimate tranche or no my bibi in terms of transport, or my bibi in terms of Redian and any amano. Ultimate tranche is oh dear oh much ya obenya zero. Sanity.
Obani nukrenie ebepese ebefra obiom na saa da no de ye frɛ wo a wo as a person